Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the language in Claude AI on Android. This controls Claude voice conversations and changes the voices offered for that language. It does not translate every app menu. Start on your home screen, swipe up to open the app drawer, find Claude, and tap it once to open the app. On Claude's new chat screen, look in the upper left corner and tap the three-line menu button. The navigation panel opens with Chats, Projects, Artifacts, and Recent Conversations. At the bottom, tap the circular row labeled Monet Arc Settings. That opens Claude's in-app settings page. Settings begins with your account information. Swipe upward slowly to move down the page. Pass capabilities, connectors, permissions, color mode, and font style. Stop when the row labeled Voice is clearly visible. Claude keeps its voice choices and the language control inside this voice section. Tap Voice, then find Language with the beta badge below the voice cards. Tap Language to open the supported list. It includes regional English choices: Chinese, Cantonese, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, and more. For this example, tap French. The language row now says French, and the voice card immediately changes to the French voice named Douce. To confirm it's saved, tap the back arrow once to return to Settings, then tap Voice again. Claude still shows French on the language row, and the French voice set remains active. This setting is specifically for voice conversations, so normal buttons and menu labels elsewhere in Claude can remain in your phone's interface language. To switch back, tap Language again and choose English at the top of the list. Claude immediately restores the English voice set and shows Buttery on the main voice card. The full path is: open Claude, tap the three-line menu, open your settings row, scroll to Voice, tap Language, and choose the language you want. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching.